Mongoose in the mail, and this is one of my favorite subscriptions. So much so that when I had to let many of my subscriptions go due to me quitting my job, I chose to keep this one. However, so the one that I have been getting and been unboxing for you guys, by the way, if y'all are new, welcome, welcome. But Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription. I absolutely freaking love it. So much so that I got my best friend in Texas to sign up. And so every month, everybody gets like the same, I guess you could say, set. But I'll get into the details and then you'll understand. I always ramble and then we meet somewhere in the middle somewhere. So here we go. So Mint Mongoose. There are two different options that you can use when signing up. The first one is just the normal Mint Mongoose. This is the one I actually recommend the most because just, I guess from a price standpoint, it makes the most sense. But I don't get, well, I do get this one moving forward. So like when my subscription renews, I've already changed it. And this is the one I will be receiving, but the one I'm unboxing is the next one. Okay, so anyway, so the first one is the regular Mint Mongoose package. It is only $12 a month, guys, and you're guaranteed $40 worth of jewelry, and you're gonna get 3 pieces. I always have I think I've shown y'all in my video, I have the fattest, stupidest. When I do 3, it comes out all like, yeah. Anyway, okay. So you get 3 pieces of jewelry, priced at least $40, and you get a free gift every 3 months. Okay, so that's $12 a month. So that one I highly recommend because I'm like, you get a set of jewelry every single month for $12. Can't beat it. Great deal. Easy, right? Okay. The other one I still love, but since I'm cutting back on my expenses, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go down to the $12, which is more affordable for me. I still get the set, but not the extra stuff. So if you get the Mint Mongoose Black, which is the other package, you get 4 pieces of jewelry, which I'm gonna miss my 4th piece, but neither here nor there. I have to let it go for a while. This one is $22.99 a month, so that's almost double. You're guaranteed $55 worth of jewelry, so that's $15 more. So that's why I say I think the smaller one's kind of like makes more sense financially, but anyways. But you get 2 accessories every month in your package. So you not only do you get the extra piece of jewelry, which is usually a bracelet that I think other people don't get, you get the 2 accessories as well, which are fun, but they're like, sometimes it could be sunglasses. Some people have gotten candles. It could be, I got like a fan thing that you plug into the back of your phone that kind of keeps you, I guess, fanned, cooled down, whatever. They just have all types of things, and it's fun and playful accessories, and I don't know, they're cool little quirky gifts, but if you're in it just for the jewelry, you can't beat the $12 a month. So that's kind of where I'm at with it financially. Okay, so, and then same as the first one, every 3 months you get a free gift. However, if you have Mint Mongoose Black, your free gift will be bigger than if you had the smaller package, obviously. Okay. I will give you a referral link in the description below if you're interested in signing up. This one, I will always highly recommend. I actually love this, like, this package. Like, how can you not be happy when something this shiny shows up in your mailbox? It's so cute. What the referral link will do will give you $5 off your first box, and it also gives me a $5 credit. So it's win-win for both of us, and we love that. Let's get into my package. I'm rambling. All right, so let's do my accessories first because this is part of the Mint Mongoose Black, and this is what I will no longer be getting. So look at this guy. It's super cute. And then the back says, "It's mine." So it's a cute little case. And then you just open it up and it's got like the bubble wrap or whatever. And it's green. That's really cute. That's fun for summertime or spring too. I like that. Kind of reminds me of like watermelon colors. Adorable. That's probably one of my favorite ones so far. So it's mine and it has that. Okay. I think I like that accessory a lot. The last month I was kind of like, I could have done without them, but you know, they're not going to please everybody. I've learned that in life. You know, I might love this, somebody else doesn't like it, and last month that person probably liked what I didn't like, so that's just how life is. Ooh, this one's cute. Here's another bag. So it's like furry. You open it up. Oh, and it's yellow. And they gave me a nail polish. Cool. I actually liked it. I know this color is probably different for some people, but I like different like oranges and shades. So this is really fun. And that's by Milani. So that was a fun little gift. So technically I got 3. I got this bag with the yellow, this bag with the green inside, and then a nail polish. So they hooked me up this month. They're probably like, oh yeah, you want to give up Mongoose Black? Let me reel you back in. But I can't afford it. So it's like a flatter envelope, and before, like they said, it was kind of like a pillow, like it puffed up. And it was kind of, it was cute. Like I had no issues with the packaging, but I see what they mean. This kind of just holds it more secure. But you'd open it, and for like purposes of like doing a video, sometimes it would be bent on one side. So anyways, they always have this cute wax seal, and it's a mongoose, and then you have the ribbon going around. That's the mint color, hence the mint mongoose. And then I always had to fight with it to try to get it off so I could open it. Now I don't have to do that. I just open it from the back. So I don't even have to take the seal off anymore. So I love that. All right, and then you pull it out, and here's your stuff. Let me open my package. They always, no matter which package you order, they always throw in a Werther's Original, which is a cute touch. I love that candy. So, okay. So, let's start with my first piece of jewelry. Keep in mind, I'll have 4. Okay, so when you sign up, they ask you if you like silver, gold, or rose gold, or if you want surprise me. So what I picked was surprise me. And so when I had my best friend sign up, she did the same thing. But since we signed up in different months, it's kind of cool because we have like the same sets of jewelry, but we kind of have them in like, mine might be gold, hers is silver or whatever. And so it's really neat. Like we always have like a matching set, but in a different tone. So I don't know, if you have like a best friend, or like you and your daughter, you and your mom, whoever, that you want to do something like that fun with, I recommend Mint Mongoose. It's really cool. But okay, so the people who get 3 usually get a ring, earrings, and a necklace, I believe it is. And the people who get 4 get the ring, earrings, necklace, and a bracelet, is how it usually goes. So if you're particular, you can get silver. If like that's all you wear, they do that. That's awesome about them. And you can also say that you, like, if you're the type of person that likes watches, you can also put that you want the occasional watch in there. I'm not a watch person, so I never selected that, so you won't see that on mine. Okay, so here's the ring for this month. It's really cute. And their rings usually, they're not part of the set, but it's like they kind of do their best job of matching, if that makes sense. But they'll always they'll always give you rings that can be like pushed together, like sized to you. So you don't have to worry about telling them like I'm a 5, a 7, a 6, whatever. Because all the rings are adjustable. Same thing with the bracelets and the necklaces. There's different clasps on them so that you can adjust the size. And I love that. That's like a great touch. And all the jewelry, like the back, except for the ring. But the backs of them will have the Mint Mongoose logo. It's really cute. Like it's a really good subscription. I don't see them ever going anywhere. I think they're a great service. The owner, her name is Helena. If you message her about anything, she gets right back to you. It's really a good company. Okay, so these are the earrings this month. Those are super cute. I love like danglies, but that's a fun little earring. Like, let me see if my second hole is cooperating today. I haven't used it in a while. It might have repurposed itself to be part of the ear again. I'm like, ow, ow, ow. Come on, come on. There we go. That's cute. I love that, and I like it as a second earring too. Either way, first or second. My dogs love to be part of the videos lately. It's like they hear me start to do a video, and it's like, let me bark and let them know I'm here. Clover, shh. So that's those. That's really cute. And then, like I said, they're rings. See how it's not like the same? It's not the ball, but you can still get by with matching it. It's silver. That's cute. I like that. What do y'all think about those? I like those. They don't do anything over the top drastic. It's always like a simple yet unique piece, and I like that. That's cute. See how it's simple, elegant, yet really pretty? So what this is, it's like the ball right here. So you have the little silver ball, and then these white little beads. They're like marbleized. They look like marble. And then, like I said before, there's like the Mint Mongoose, and you'll have the different sizes. So here's 1, here's 2, and then you can go down to the 3rd. That's really cute. I like that. And here's the 4th one for me. So this one, the smaller package probably didn't get. So if you watched any Mint Mongoose videos, you probably didn't see this one. I always search like Google, and I never see anybody open Mint Mongoose Black but me. And I'm like, these people are missing out because it's cute. I'm over here trying to put it on already. So you see all the marble? Yeah, it shows it better on this bracelet. And then you got the 1 silver. I think that's cute, guys. And then it's stretchy, and I'm trying to get it stuck on my ring. But it's stretchy. But that's something I would definitely wear. It's a very cute touch. Simple, but yet thoughtful. I don't know. I love it. So let me know in the comments below. What do you think of Mint Mongoose? What do you think of Mint Mongoose Black? Is it a subscription you already get? What do you think of the company? If it's not one you get, is it one you think about signing up to? Or if you are going to sign up, let me know that too. But I love it. I think it's stunning. Anyways, guys, y'all have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. And I'll see you in the next video.